Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So right now we're going to take a look at Coulda Been Jamaican edition, right, with Druski. So with Popcaan and Shenseea. So we're going to take a look and see what's happening because, you know, Coulda Been is really, really funny and Druski is a funny guy. So we're going to take a look and see what's happening with the Jamaican edition.
How'd you do that? Oh, okay. Watah Coulda Been records. Bomba Clan. They got the girl them dirty one. Wash money. So you a drug dealer? Bullet? What's your name? Rico. He should have gave you a Rico charge for this outfit. Young killers. He's grabbing him by the collar.
Coulda Been records. Let's see what's going on.
Alright. Let's see what we got now.
See? That youth is a very popular Jamaican, like him do comedy skits on Instagram.
Wagwan, how you say? You good?
Wagwan, Batty.
Batty blood clot.
Okay, what type of Jamaican this is right here? This,
Original.
Original Dandada.
Original.
Dotty.
Oh, yeah, say no.
You're a dotty, no?
Yeah.
Dotty wine.
You can dirty wine and them thing with the girl.
You dotty wine?
What?
Only the girl. I take a red stripe.
I'll get you a cold one.
Nah, you don't need that. You good.
Cheers.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Yeah.
If liquor don't kill us, him off. That is.
So the guy.
We like how the youth here approach it.
But yeah, I just.
Hero.
Yeah.
We like how the youth here approach it.
Dust to dust.
Liquor don't kill us. We're gonna the butt.
No, alright, we'll try one more time.
No.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. If liquor don't kill us, him off.
Age.
31.
31. Alright, 31. What you do, brother?
Artist and producer.
Well, you got 2 chains.
No, that youth here, you know.
You see?
So you're already in debt as a artist off rip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uptown, I'm from. Thugs pass through London, Birmingham. Kingston, boss, this a Kingston city. Streets now show me no pretty. Can't move like a clown. Chopper them a drive round too much in a crowd. Llama make wash money. Let me need close spin.
When you say wash money, that means you're converting the money to be good money.
You see?
So you're a drug dealer.
What?
Drug dealer. What type of drugs? You know? So you wash the money. Yeah, let's get him out of here.
Yeah. Security.
Let's put balls on.
Kingston boss a big up Coulda Been records. You don't know.
What them youth here now?
How old are y'all, man?
We're young killers.
They have Latinos in Jamaica?
Yeah, we do.
You ever seen Latinos out here in Jamaica? You're the first Latino I've seen. You full Latino?
Both. Could you please stand for the national anthem? Eternal Father, bless our land.
They might ask the dog for stand.
Guide us with thy mighty hand. Jamaica.
Boom.
Jamaica.
Boom.
Jamaica.
Lad wheel.
Thank you, boys. Yeah. There's so many slides, I can't even fucking think.
Get them out of
Yo, fat boy. What the blood clot you do, man? You have eat so much bumper clot food and bridging.
Hold on. Look for him. Look for him. I call Druski fat.
What the hell?
Wait.
Them ain't joggers.
I'm a ballerina.
That boy, what his name? Lorenzo. The boy that easy, you know?
I see you.
Lizzie.
I see you. Daddy, know. I know you.
Lizzie.
What inspired this jiggalation? Because this ain't nothing but a jiggalation.
Boy,
right here.
Lizzie the easy, you know?
Maybe I eat too much candy before I come.
You said you ate a lot of candy before you came?
Yeah.
No shit, because
I
you
brought-
sweet as a mother. Something seems sweet.
Yes, so maybe I'm a lot of
What type of candy you had?
Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, Jolly.
Type shit.
Yeah, Jolly Rancher is right. Oh, hey. You must be homophobic, man. Slow down. I'm not kicking him out for that. Now he a little sweet around the edges, but just
See,
let you eat.
You see the funny thing, Lizzie got there dressed like that to be comedic, but at the same time, Lizzie is not a fish. So Druski don't know Lizzie, him don't know that, so him approach it from a standpoint of if Lizzie dress like that, right? Him not make it seem like, him homophobic or whatever the case is. But make we see what I go on. That is really funny.
The Jolly Rancher, you must have had the lemon lime one. Oh, you a snicker liquor?
Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate.
You with the chocolate with the veins on it.
No, that was chocolate, sweetie.
We know you sweet.
Yes, what I tell you, Druski thinks Lizzie is a fish, but Lizzie is not a fish, right? But it's like Lizzie not really get it for say, yo, Druski, I think say, yo, him is a fish. Jano, I must say, I know you're sweet, meaning, and I mean, in gone the other way. So I must say chocolate with the vein on it, meaning Lizzie a clean rifle.
Yeah, we get man.
Get up out of here. Shenseea step in town.
Alright guys, it's Shenseea. We did the pre-auditions for Coulda Been Records, and let me tell you from now, I'm going to be so real and so honest because as a Jamaican, I so keep it real around here. Alright, bring them in. Let's see what we have here.
Dolce and Gabbana.
Alright, Dolce and Gabbana. No need for come Coulda Been Records, man. I don't have it already on the rich.
Alright, nothing better get the changing with the 360 feet than make me say the better pan the dress with this is a hold it more there.
Give me something more.
Alright.
Let me see if I can really impress me.
I the belly, the base, I the dungeon. Say she want come with a gunman.
Ooh.
Make sure say that body they function. Cock up your foot and come to a love song. And you feel tip of your toe and give me the wine. And get the body feel fine. And get the right.
So I'm to the other youth.
Pull up. I'm gonna go check it out. Go on show. Bye.
Which part this a weird, yeah, nerd.
The competition.
Curtis.
What competition is it?
In a different league from my fiends, dog. How you so hard, it be easy to me, dog. Even with my old hits that I wrote up, I profit like Moses. Even the deaf gonna know me.
You saying the deaf or the deaf?
Deaf.
Oh, like can't hear, like the deaf.
Yeah, even the deaf gonna know me.
But if they can't hear your music?
But me gonna be famous if my like posters and
Yeah. Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
At least signed to a record label. I'm trying to be an international artist. The music what I try to write is about my life. I don't lie in my music.
I'm a bad bitch, them kill out ya. Yeah, she said she love girl, come make me it up. Whoa, fuck ya talk boss. Shh. Come around and you know when I wish you pop all the molly better know she turned out. Germs, real junk crow. No, man. No, man, baby. Saying now I'm telling me enough respect for you, man. I prefer.
Oh, okay.
The youth, yeah.
That character. Alright, I like that. So as long as you know if you separate the two, we can work with that.
Well, I'm not going to tell you, I'm just tell you, I work on everything, you know?
Oh, yeah?
I tell you, so we're perfect. Everything is a process, though.
So no foreplay, you just
right.
Skin out right there, so.
Na. A girl love me half, Yeah, a girl give me neck and
Oh.
girl give me neck,
Alright, go through.
Yo.
Go on. It's a new germs.
Son. Three little bird on my doorstep.
my doorstep,
I don't know that one, yeah.
singing sweet songs, melody and tune. Say this is a message
To you, ooh.
Alright.
Singing don't worry,
Irie.
that thing,
Nothing.
whatever little thing, ain't gonna be alright.
Alright. Oh, give it up for Hope. Give it up for Hope, everybody. Come Hope. And that way you the light there.
Shenseea be respectful to the elder.
Follow the light. Alright, Hope.
Like that. respectful to Rastaman. So I say, so Shenseea send him through. I could say what go up now.
68.
You got more years in front of you than you got behind you.
Well, you say.
What's your name?
My name is Lebird Brown. Lebird Brown.
LeBron.
Lebert.
Lebert.
Oh, your name LeBron.
Yeah.
You ever heard of he played basketball, LeBron James?
I'm watching those games long
He
time.
might have been named after you.
Him the Prime Minister of what was England in the 80s.
Oh, you seen him play in the 80s?
Yeah.
No, that's what's up. I didn't know you was around to see Bron hoop in the 80s. It's the time now. I feel that. At
Yeah,
68.
I just feel like I time now. I was singing a song, when from I was about 10.
Let's hear the music.
Oh yeah.
Different song?
Oh yeah.
Okay, hey man, let's cut to the chase. Hey, hold on.
So mommy,
Shit.
thank you for what you have brought me to now. Yeah, mommy, thank you for the life that you have given me. So long time, I preserve it.
Fuck it. Close enough, man. We'll sign him. I'll sign your name right there. Shit.
Really?
Where you learn how to sing at?
Popcaan in the place. And rolling.
That can be signed to Coulda Been Records. Jamaican people have all different kind of talent, you know what I'm saying? So it should be interesting. Where you from, cuz?
You know what I'm saying? I think so, my God.
Which part exactly?
Up in the hills, Golden Spring.
Oh yeah, hill people are skilled people.
Try about it, you know?
What your name?
Whisper.
Whisper?
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to sing and whisper though.
Not at
I turn
all.
up your vocals.
Up the before.
Alright, let me hear it.
And we go running at the bait place with the AK brawling. She got play from Mrs. Strange Face. Them a play brave and them gain fame. You will let them brain up on a airplane. Me attack loud for them ear clear.
Nah,
We
whisper.
draw crowd round you was day break.
Bah!
Run at the steering.
Hot time
Tell them
whisper.
say I'm a seal badness. Dog them active. Murder.
I tell whisper. Oh.
Him bad.
You know whisper?
Live, my God.
Where I say Coulda Been Records last time too?
Holy my father, you know.
At first, Popcaan don't.
Alright, go on,
Hey, hear me? Send the dog through. Send the dog through. Dog have talent.
Hello, my name is Charlie Overdose.
Yeah, hold on. Let's Oh yeah. Me alike. Gosh, okay. Yeah, come sign this right here. Yeah.
So,
How she do that? Oh, okay.
Yeah, turn the wrong way, mama. Turn
Sign this right.
to the dog, make the dog see.
Yeah.
Turn to the dog, make the dog see everything will happen right there, so. You turn the wrong way. You understand? Yes.
I'll sign it
I'm
for
right
you.
there.
Yeah, I'll sign it for you. Yeah, we got enough. Hey, we got enough. So we're gonna get the contract in your name, so then all the other bullshit is all, that's neither here nor there. We'll figure out in America. We get you to America.
Okay. What is it?
Yeah, no, that way. Y'all show her that way, yeah.
Security never needed. Druski, you know, him was the security. He must secure her. You see me? Nah, like, mom's turn up. Like, mom's really turn up. What you mean?
Yeah. Okay. You got a little hope out here. Hey, sometimes you gotta sit on your own to make it not pop up. Sometimes you gotta sit on it. That's what I had to do, yeah. You gotta sit on it.
But like the conversation, like the little side conversation them we have with the security team, really funny.
Tip of it. You feel me? You be doing that, yeah.
You look promising for some reason.
What brings you here?
I'm on holiday checking family.
Where you from?
See it? UK. You look
Born in
promising.
America though.
That's not gonna cut it, man. Are you real Jamaican or not?
Yeah, of course, man.
That's a good one. That ain't gonna fly. That's not gonna cut it. Are you real Jamaican or not? You're born in the US, from the UK, and what? You fly down to Jamaica just to say your parents are Jamaican, but no.
Parents are Jamaican. I'm Jamaican, innit?
When you say in it, that mean you from UK.
Right.
Nah, man. I'm Jamaican, brother.
Not real.
See? Nah, man. Jamaican, brother. I'm a Jamaican.
Jamaican.
I'm real Jamaican.
How long you been in Jamaica?
Since like a week ago. Just over a week ago.
Yeah, you're not Jamaican.
Nah.
I'm sad to break it to you.
Nah, you don't even hear the tune.
Yeah, let's give him the out of there. That nigga not real Jamaican. He from United Kingdom.
Yeah.
He from UK.
Yeah, like my parents are Jamaican, innit? So I'm Jamaican, brother. You don't know them thing there, bro, man. You can't boil up a soup and cornmeal porridge and them thing there, bro. Lie, man. Lie, bro.
Lots of
What?
hoes. We got hoes on hoes, hoes without clothes, hoes with.
Could you call somebody? Because we just got to check to see if these hoes are talking. We just want to see.
All sort of hoes, my nigga. Lock these one for you, man. Shit, bitch ain't picking up.
Oh, she sleep.
Probably. Leah towards him.
Oh, she sleep.
I'm sorry, but the
Percy, you have tried. Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica.
message after the tone.
Welcome to Jamaica, bro.
Yeah, just call the other one. Call the other one.
What?
You got plenty of them, I know.
Mr. What happened with that guy say, yo, since you have all these, hoes and type of hoes, call one of them. Boom, she asleep, voicemail. Call another one, cause since you have a whole heap of them, make we see what I go on.
I figure you got a bunch of hoes, man. This the other team. It's the other kingdom.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
More hoes.
See? Sleeping time for the hoes, nigga.
It's 6 o'clock.
Yeah. I don't know where I'm going for
They
this.
go to bed early, huh?
Yeah.
They go to bed early around here? Well, I thought that was Jada Kingdom coming in this morning.
That same thing said Jada Kingdom.
Shit.
Mommy.
You a whole safari.
Ooh.
Got
Rainforest.
that cheetah print on.
Right.
You ready to bite your ass.
No, that girl that come with that let's be honest, where she has said, "Wall up your stress." I see this.
Cameraman to come up here. I just want to see something. Come on up, my man. We gonna see if he can handle it. Yeah. What'd you do with that ass? What'd you do with all that ass? You can catch that ass. You gotta catch it, man. Don't be